Alright, let's go. Is he making too much noise?
Why niggas following Chuck of all people, bro? Make the lift, bro. Don't make this straight away, bro.
Yeah, huh? Just in case boys come in this bitch. Fuck out of there.
But the boys don't even really fuck with the spot.
What? This shit got shut down last time.
Cause of you, nigga.
Nah, it wasn't because of me. My tire mark still here? That's max. Nah, that shit, I think it was right here.
You might have fucking
smack the shit out that fool.
Damn. Yeah, we had a little car meet me, girl. Fuck with the. Damn, this lighting me. Look at this lighting.
Yeah, if you would have brought this shit the first time. Different bop this time. Not the SRT. Well, we was here before, but you know.
Sure.
Is that
what?
I will go next and get a bev.
Nobody we know gonna be here.
If you want to do what? Well, so we'll go to the next.
Got parked far away from the meet just in case the boys come in this bitch.
It's not lit yet, bro.
Nah, niggas said they not coming till like 9:30, 10.
Yeah, so we might as well go to TJ Maxx. I'm about to get a bev.
Go to TJ Maxx, grab the
They
bev.
sell like pillows and shit. They got
Hey man.
I'm about to take that lip off. Oh shit.
Yo, it was no reason for me to wash my car.
Honestly, I didn't wash my car. Yo, it's about to be ass all next week. Here we go. Got the crotch rockets out, the little missiles, the little bikes out. Hey man, I've seen a couple hot shit, but I ain't seen no exclusive shit. So you feel me? Gotta fuck with the bob.
That nigga with the speaker.
Nah, you saw the TL?
Nah, I ain't seen no TL.
Yeah. The one that was Cam?
Nah.
that charcoal gray one.
It was white.
It was white?
Yeah.
Alright. Niggas in TJ Maxx. Oh, we gonna catch y'all niggas when we get back to the meet. And just like that, we back. Yo, man, it's a bunch of moms and shit out this bitch. Let me get the fuck on out of here so we can bring the motherfucking. Is that a motherfucking Evo? Oh, shit. Hey, we got a.
That shit that's touching the ground? Yeah.
Yeah, that's a motherfucking Evo.
Yeah, I'm like, yo, what the fuck? Niggas out here racing for $1,000.
My back. I did the gas so hard, my back hurt. That's an NXX.
Huh?
See it.
Ooh.
Wait, right next to the Evo?
Yeah.
Y'all want to.
Yo, Shoutout. I see a motherfucking NSX.
How you gonna discuss a Durango when it's an NSX?
I'm record that shit. See if I can get a little glimpse on it. It's clean. That shit right hand drive too. Here you go. That's right hand drive.
Yo, that's Johnny Train shit. That's
NSX me girl. That is Max, my nigga.
Yo, he got some
This is
points.
Max.
He definitely got some
Yes,
points,
sir.
bro.
Yes, sir.
Mazda not too bad. It's just next to the NSX.
Yeah, the Mazda clean. What's that? The Speed 3?
Clean as hell, my guy.
What up, yo?
Clean as hell.
Yo, watch out, watch out.
Nah, he was about to hit them. I was talking to him.
All right. See now you thinking, right? Yo, you heard me?
What?
Huh?
Now you thinking, you like, damn, tuner is a motherfucking muscle.
Nah, we keep moving.
Tuner's in.
I'm still on that muscle side.
But you know what I'm saying? But the muscle gonna be harder to tune.
I ain't worried about the tune because that shit gonna have straight power out the box. Have you seen him take off his box?
It's heavy though.
It's long term. It's whatever you want. You just can't drive that muscle every day.
Yeah, but you gotta think about that.
That shit too heavy.
Depending on
I
what
fuck with the muscle. It's gonna be light.
That shit.
It's gonna be light. If you get like a good tuner, like an NSX, that's like,
you can't drive it every day.
I know, but that's like top notch tuner.
It's
You
old.
know
It's
how
an
much
old
it
car.
is?
Yeah.
How much it costs?
Bro, it's a fucking Honda. I mean, that's a super fucking, that's a supercar.
Yeah.
That's a
At its
classic
time.
supercar. I'm just saying, like, I don't know, man. Muscle, that shit too heavy. I fuck with it though. I fuck with muscle heavy.
That trying to rap. I thought that was Marilla.
What the fuck was that?
It's not a CTS though, is it?
Oh, 2.0 turbo.
That's not a CTS. You heard that shit coming.
Clean ass motherfucking TL with the fender bolts.
Oh,
Oh, that's my nigga, the Rosh, right?
Asian nigga.
With the Rosh.
Where? Got his name.
That's the TL you talking about? Where?
Yeah.
It was a whole different crowd.
Yeah, whole different crowd.
Breaking Necks.
Where? What the fuck?
Nah, I told you, a different nigga was hosting.
What the fuck is Breaking Necks Auto Club? That shit is...
What the bully spot? Oh, beautiful, beautiful.
Yo, he like Biker Boys.
Huh?
That is an M5.
Biker Boys.
That's an M5.
From where?
The dude just rolled past in the bike.
Biker Boys?
Yo,
I never watched that shit.
yo, y'all never seen Biker Boys, bro?
Nah, the M5 is max.
That shit's basic.
What, the 650? Is this a Honda?
I'm thinking of some hot shit. Yeah. Yo, I saw that nigga in New York. These niggas got no power steering at all. Yo, that's bro. You got the camera out today, bro.
Hey, I see it, man. I see it. It's my brother.
How's it going? Good, bro.
Yeah, we saw you.
Yeah,
We
we saw
boy
you.
too. We saw you.
My boy
Came this way,
he's gonna be throwing like some crazy drift event.
With that? Mustang?
Yeah, you fucking around smacking
You
something.
gotta have
We just got here.
Yeah.
That's a walk around. There's some nice stuff.
Pretty good though, man.
Yeah,
A lot
it
better
is.
than last time. What happened?
That's
Oh, I didn't even see that shit. I was just trying to find a spot.
I just saw that shit up that back wall. That back wall. I'm not even fucking
Fat man on the bike.
Nah, the rest of them left. Yeah.
They left it. They said, fuck this shit.
He's probably upset.
Yeah. RPM Killerz. What's it called? RPM Killerz. What is it? What is it? RPM.
Yeah, man, we back. We got these fucking Hondas. We parked next to the motherfucking Honda Me girls. This bitch confused as hell. What the fuck is going on?
Is it
Where's all these guys coming?
That was funny that day last time. Hopping the X5, plus with hopping the Toyota.
That's the that's AM little Mercedes girl.
The AMG Me girl?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. Fuck. Come on, Mr. Honda man, you're gonna blow your motor. Is that a V8 or?
They just came out TJ Maxx.
Niggas went in TJ Maxx. No cars out here.
Really so packed like this.
Yo, why is it this many fucking?
I don't know. I never knew he had that much stand.
Shit, I'm about to go to Kmart.
I do it, motherfucker. I'm out.
Nobody leaving yet.
Cops everywhere. What's that, 5? That's like 5, 6. Yeah, this kid.
Wait, you gotta wait till niggas say the next car meet. We'll wait next to that.
We just gonna casually walk to the motherfucking car. These niggas pulled up. It was a good turnout. Nah, I ain't with none of that shit, boy. Fuck on that shit. I'm here with it. But yeah, man, it was a good motherfucking turnout. To be honest, it was like probably one of the best meets we've been to. The SRT meet was like real dope. So you see. He said, "Get the fuck out the way." But yeah, the SRT meet was cool, but it's a different type of vibe here, bro. Like, it's more flavors. I don't know. I'm stuck between a SRT, Muscle, Mustang 5.0, or motherfucking another tuner, which I'm not going to tune this shit. It's still under warranty right now. But yeah. I just felt as if I should unlock my doors just in case some shit popped off. We out? Alright. Yo, you want the camera? You want the camera? Take the camera, bro. These things are wild.
It's rolling.
Yo, you saw that
Bro, it's like 8. Yo, they was like, get the fuck out the way.
Oh shit.
He out here talking shit. That's his ass. Yo, I got you, yo. If he kick your ass, bro, I got you. We suing that nigga together. He hopped out the whip. I'm about to hop in, cause you know I ain't got no wheels.
We
Chuck
out.
gone, you know.
We out.
I mean, Kel's straight piping.
Yo, get the aftermath.
Petty
Successfully
I'm just about
paired.
to be out.
Hey, shout out to my man with the R35, though. I love you. And all the R33s, man.
I'm just about to be out.
Yo, R33, R35, I love you, yo. Should've got that 710. Come on, Becky.
Tonight. Niggas out for blood tonight.
Yes,
yo, get
bro.
the fuck out the way, cuz. Damn, I'm trying to be out. I don't think he fucking with that.
I don't think he wants smoke.
I don't think
he want it. They ain't doing nothing, and the light about to change. I don't think they want it. That shit about to kill y'all ears, so if y'all got headphones on, turn that shit down just in case these dudes take off. Nah. Hey,
They did a little swift pull.
shit roll? Yeah, we rolling. Quick update. We got the second spot. As you can see, it's dark as hell. We can see, you can't. So, Alright, so niggas shut down the second spot. Niggas blocking the exits. We gotta go. You relax though. Deep breaths, my nigga. You drive it. So what the fuck you? We gotta go. We in Avenel. Where you from here, nigga? We got. Yeah, this shit crazy. Niggas out here walking, about to get clipped. He following niggas out. He about to take somebody home tonight. Kel on his shit. This nigga wildin'. Shit. We going right. We gonna see y'all in a bit. You gonna see the headlights unless you turn them off. Then we really gotta get out of here.
Bro, I think this is. Alright, let's go. Is he making too much noise?
Why niggas following Chuck of all people, bro? Make the left, bro. Don't make this straight away, bro. Oh, I'm smart. You got smart friends, bro. Oh, Chuck brought all these niggas up here, bro. I'm smart. I hit my lights.
Yo, we going home, nigga.
I got you.
Home. Yo.
Alright, hold on. I'm gonna go first. You drive. You calm down your breathing. Yo. So we sent Chuck the location because you know he had to handle his business when niggas dipped out the location, the second spot. So we talking about, we like, yo, we making a lot of noise because like, you know, Kendra said made a right and then another left and then another right one lucky night with the homies. So we made a bunch of rights and lefts, got off the main strip, you know, ended up on a back street. One was a dead end. We was like, nah, we don't want the dead end just in case. That shit came in handy because gave Chuck a location. He pulled up. He had the boys on his ass. That Clips was doing work apparently because he wasn't going. He was not going.
He brought the fucking cops to him, bro.
In his defense, Cal said, yo, it's the boys behind him. Niggas made that left, made the right, hit the straightaway, made the left, was gone.
Yo,
hit the lights.
Hit the fucking lights, my nigga. I saw these niggas in the fucking back.
Son.
Yo, I saw them in the fucking back. Yo,
Son.
put the camera on me, bro. I saw these niggas in the fucking rear view mirror, my nigga. I saw a Kel car, boom. Saw a Chuck car, boom. Then I saw the undercover, dark as hell, boom. I was like, alright, we out. I hit the fucking lights.
Is he in the car?
Who?
Let me see that patrol car we just rode past.
I don't know.
They do that shit.
Look, I'm good.
No, but Chuck car looks like a street car. This car is normal.
Nah, my shit look like a street car too. Like cops know this shit because a lot of people tune these shits. It's accurate TL. Niggas know.
But
if anybody watching y'all fucking race, y'all know about this fucking J32 engine.
But as far as cosmetic go, they're not gonna see it and go.
Cause it's dark. It's
Not
black,
like
dark
that nigga
tints.
with the Mustang who
Yeah,
fucking
Chuck car, purple, lavender type shit.
fucking hopped out the spot. Took I don't even know, like 20 feet, a gas station, went in like, oh yeah, I wasn't there. Yeah, I wasn't at the car meet. But yeah, niggas just did that. I don't know how long this has been rolling. You know, when Kel, that's the fastest I've seen Kel move in a while.
That nigga Kel was fucking.
He was excited.
Yes.
He been doing the race.
Like he did
the race today.
My nigga.
Did the race 2 weeks ago. He got caught, but shit, he been on the roll ever since. Like, so yeah, niggas gotta turn his lights off.
Word. We gonna see y'all in Hillside. When we get back to Hillside, we gonna come back to y'all, man.
Because the scene is hot, and I think it's another undercover rolling up on us. We gonna see.
Hey, yo, nigga. Yo, we made it. We made it. We at McDonald's. We I can't talk, bro. Fucking nerves. Niggas did the race. That right there, if we really was recording that footage, that's probably like the most classic footage y'all niggas gonna see on this channel. Alright? This is your first time watching this channel or coming across this channel. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. We not doing this for us, bro. We doing this for y'all, for content, my nigga. And don't think it wasn't no cop chasing us, bro. It was a fucking cop behind Chuck. Like, yo, I'm fucking nigga.
It may have been dark.
It may, y'all probably
The
ain't
audio
see
was
that shit.
definitely wrong. Unless my hand was over the mic or some shit. The audio's there, so Kel got to do some work with the subtitles.
Not even that. Probably if I hope the audio is great and clean.
I don't
and
know.
crisp.
I didn't know it was rolling. My only concern, I almost dropped my phone.
Nigga, if he dropped his phone, it would be done. Niggas, oh my god, my nigga. Yo, when I tell y'all, that was my first time ever being in a little chase with a cop. I haven't been pulled over yet. I've been pulled up on. The other night we got pulled up on. But I never, ever got in a chase with a fucking cop. And like that, I'm black. I can't be doing shit like that.
He's over there, wow.
He's fighting.
Oh yeah, she out. Oh.
I think she playing. Hey. But yeah, nigga, I'm toe up. I'm toe up, my nigga. That shit was max. Huh? Yeah, I'm good. I'm just. Yo, that shit was max. Like, yo, that shit was max.
Bro, it was like 20 seconds.
Yo, that shit was crazy. That was the most intense 20 seconds. That part was the most intense.
I think the weight, like, cause we heard Chuck's car like 3 blocks away.
And we was like,
I think the more intense, we were like, why is he going so fast? We're supposed to be trying to get away from the car. We're supposed to slow it down a little bit. And then he hit the turn, and everybody was thinking the same thing. Markel just verbalized first. Like he was, cause the way it was like, I can't describe, like, let me try to explain the street we decided to hide on.
it was like a dead end.
We got off the main strip. It was like a dead end, but it had a left. So, and the left went all the way down. And I was like, yo, this is a good spot. Because it's quiet and there's no street lights. But we gotta hurry up and move because people are gonna call the cops. Like everybody was turning their but the lights in front of the house
the porch lights on.
The porch lights. And we were like, yo, Chuck needs to hurry up. Like, when he gets here, we can't let him get out of his car. We gotta just go. Like, who cares, man? If he's leaking, fuck it. We'll figure it out when we get back home.
Yo.
So, Markel hears his car and he's like, why the fuck is he going so fast?
We're coming to light.
You know what I'm saying? So I think this is Markel right here. No, it's not.
It's a slingshot.
Slingshot. See it more motors every day. So Markel walks over to the corner. She was parked in the rear behind everybody else. And he walked, and I've never seen him move this fast in years. He was like,
yo, this nigga
it's a fucking cop chasing him. And everybody took off. And it wasn't like when we were at the second spot where everybody hesitated. Everybody was like too cool to run.
Word.
And then we were like, oh, they're serious. Oh,
yeah,
it was like you catch a pick, you with your block your hands, gone. So
niggas was going like, yo.
And between him thinking on his feet and me navigating, niggas got out that jam relatively easy.
Yo, niggas hit the fuck. Yo, Kel and Chuck probably was like, yo, this nigga Tyler retarded, like this nigga bugging. I hit the fucking corner. Y'all know my shit black. It's midnight blue, right? Fucking dark as hell. I don't know if you can peep it, but it's midnight blue. And I got tint. And there was no street lights on the street I turned on. So I turned my fucking lights off. Gone. Went through 3 intersections, hella cars. They probably was like, what the fuck?
They were chasing a few cars. Chuck wasn't the only guy they were chasing. Because I don't know if they weren't from the area, but even if you're not from there, you gotta be smart. You're gonna go down the straightaway and niggas chasing.
Word.
You're not very smart. But I know for a fact Chuck has a story to tell.
This thing, yo, Chuck. Yo, Chuck and Kel been fucking up, bro. They been doing some nut shit for the past 2 weeks now, bro. For the past 2 weeks, they been doing some nut shit, bro. On some Chuck bringing the cops to us, Kel teleporting to his girl house, leaving us at McDonald's. Like, they been doing some crazy shit, bro. But I ain't feel that type of adrenaline in a minute. Like, in a long time, my nigga. Like, since I was a fucking, I don't know, like, sophomore, freshman. Like, it felt like you was getting chased by a dog. You know that feeling? Like, when you get that extra oomph.
I wasn't driving, so I was just, you know, navigating. So it really wasn't.
But yeah, like, it was some movie shit, bro. Like, I don't know, like, what we did was smart.
I hope they know we on this side of the parking lot.
Yo, call them. See where they at.
I don't know. They were on their way to Rawley's. I don't know if they would be in the area.
That's another thing. Once you get into a jam 3 times, it was. Bro. No, that's the 4th. Think about it.
The thing is, we bought a dumpster at McDonald's. Yeah, we in the back. So you know, you can have multiple locations, but they all can't be on top of each other. Like 1 in 9 takes you through pretty much an entire county and then some, right? It'll take you from like Newark Airport all the way to fucking Crackerville. You can't have these spots right on top of each other, like 4 minutes away from each other. Like, cops aren't dumb, they're quite intelligent, actually. So we were at the second spot, or third spot, whatever the fuck it was technically, for about 15 minutes before the shit got shut down. And they did the same thing they did in the first spot. They did the little stroll, like, nigga, we warning you. Yeah. And then they came down.
They did the we gonna give y'all niggas 25 seconds to realize what the fuck going on and get in your cars and dip.
And literally, like, the first time he made a U-turn, came back with his boys. First time, nigga just sat in the entrance, and then all his other boys started clogging the entrance and chasing. And what saved most of the people at this last spot was there was a big ass Optimus Prime fucking
Kenilworth 18-wheeler without a tractor, bro.
Yes.
Fucking Kenilworth.
Yes.
That shit.
He blocked it.
He blocked hella shit, my nigga.
So he did his thing.
Look, we gonna end the vlog here, my nigga. We've been sitting here for like 40 minutes just chatting.
That's we've been 15 minutes. Yeah.
Nah, hell nah. All right. 20, 25.
17.
25.
18, nigga.
25.
No more than 20 minutes.
Y'all been here for like 25 minutes, right?
19 minutes and 42 seconds.
Niggas is crazy. But yeah, bro. We're gonna end it here. I don't know what we're gonna title this shit.
Track.
That shit wasn't moving. But
slow this motherfucker down.
We're gonna sign out, my nigga. Catch y'all niggas tomorrow. Probably not tomorrow, because we're gonna let shit simmer down for a minute. We're gonna let shit simmer down, so we're gonna catch y'all niggas on the flip. RPM Killer signing out. Kill Squad, it's your first time watching the video or browsing the channel.
Yo, shout out. What's that name?
June.
Shout out to
Roush.
you got chased tonight.
We got chased.
Wait, they was on 2 ass, bro?
I don't know, bro.
His brother named Brian.
Brian.
His name is Brian.
Yeah,
bro, he
Brian.
just met us, bro. Like,
Word.
and shout out to our man that got
Shout out to y'all niggas.
Army
GT. Army GT, bro. But we're gonna catch y'all niggas when we pick up this shit again. We signing out. Buenos.